Hi, good evening. Selamat petang. How are y'all? Apa khabar semua Form 4 students? Okay. Welcome to today's lesson. And teacher is excited for today's lesson. Bab 7, Coordinate Geometry. It's a new chapter that we're going to start. So if you are new today, okay, pelajar baru yang baru start tengok video cikgu live class, just say hi in the comment, let me know where you from, dari mana, okay, and then which school. Okay, let me just check my connection, and in a while, in about 1 minute, we can start our class. Okay. Okay, teacher harap pelajar dah download nota. You can download the nota in the link. Okay, link dekat bawah ada, dia akan direct terus ke nota. So you just click on the notes, download, you can print, or if you haven't print yet, you just keep the notes first, and we will do the answers and discussion for today's nota together. Okay. Okay. So teacher, hope you guys are all doing fine, doing great. I know many of you having your exam right now. Okay, because some students message teacher, hari ni saya tak dapat join sebab esok got exam, BM exam, and so all the best for those of you who are having exam. Study smart. Okay. Okay, let me know. Okay, is the connection better now? If you are watching this, do let me know. Okay. I think now you can hear me and all, right? Okay, boleh dengar cikgu Kalau still lagging ke apa, let me know. I think so far here is showing good connection. Okay, thank you, Kirtana. Okay, so welcome to today's class. Okay, I'm happy to see all of y'all. Okay, yang baru join, if you are new, okay, say hello, hi, where are you from, okay? And kalau this is your first time viewing teachers live classes, okay, selalunya the nota, right, the notes for the class will be in the link. So teacher suggests you download the nota, okay, make sure that you print it first before you start classes with teacher. But kalau hari ni tak sempat print or what, it's okay. Okay, you just write down the notes, and I also would suggest you to have a book, a notebook, okay. Okay, so far, if I can recall, I think Kirtana had trials going on, right? So how was it overall for AdMaths finished ready for trial AdMaths paper? Okay, let's see. We wait for a few more minutes. Not yet, teacher, next week. Okay. So I hope you have started doing the trial paper questions, right? The one teacher suggested. If you still don't have the link or anything, just let me know. I have the link actually in my Facebook group. Okay, it's in the Facebook group. Okay, so hari ni kita akan start bab 7, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. And this chapter is very interesting chapter, sangat interesting because, okay, first of all, soalan daripada kertas 2, paper 2 and paper 1 do come out from this bab. Very popular for KBAT questions and also come out in 3 jenis soalan. Okay, if you can see here, teacher already write 3 types of question, right? Because why in exam they like to give you different cara of soalan, so that sebenarnya the concept sama saja, tapi because of the cara mereka tanya soalan, it makes student to feel confused. Okay, so today we're going to make sure we get that skill of cara nak jawab and make sure you understand, oh, if like this punya soalan means I must use this method. So you make sure you pay attention. Okay, actually this bab sangat senang, very easy to score. So kalau you really pay attention and you know how to apply the formula, memang boleh score, so you don't have to worry. Okay, we start off with what you need to know, apa yang pelajar perlu tahu. Okay, we start off with this. Okay, what pelajar perlu tahu? Okay, in SPM, okay, soalan akan keluar dalam 3 bentuk, 3 types. Okay, which is, okay, these two are connected lah, okay, saling berkait. Okay, 3 jenis soalan tu keluar dalam bentuk 3 jenis maklumat. Okay, apakah 3 jenis maklumat tu? Iaitu nisbah. The ratio will come out in 3 types, which is lambda form, bentuk lambda, vector form, bentuk vector, rainbow form. Okay, this rainbow form, I'll explain what is it in a while. Okay, vector dia actually comes out for bab 8. Bab 8 teacher haven't go through yet with y'all, and in, I don't know, in school also y'all sudah habis ke belum the bab, but bab 8 will usually come out berkaitan with bab 7. So your bab 7 you must conquer, or you must make your basic strong first. Okay, then your bab 8 you'll be able to answer. Okay, now we're going to see one by one. Kita tengok satu persatu cara how the question looks like for this. Okay, let's look at first one. Okay, here kita ada, okay, A, B dan C kan? Okay, so can you see, okay, A kita diberi nilai 2 and 6, 2 and 6. C also we are given the value 5 and 8. Okay, B we are not given, right? Okay, X and Y. So usually what the question will ask is, the question akan tanya, akan suruh pelajar cari koordinat untuk B, iaitu cari X dan Y lah. Kita kena cari X dan Y. Tapi macam mana nak cari the X and Y? This one you have a formula. Okay, teacher is not going to teach you to memorize the formula. Teacher will show you like a story. Okay, this story teacher give credit to another cikgu yang I saw when I was, you know, like learning time. Okay, this cikgu actually taught this method, so I am also going to guide you all based on that method. Okay, so now first let's see the bentuk. Okay, here the first one, AB. Okay, this is nisbah. When you see 2 dots, 2 titik dekat tengah, that is nisbah. Sebenarnya it's like this actually, bahagi. Okay, actually it is bahagi. So here also the 3 is actually bahagi with 4. So this is the actual form, cara tulis yang betul, tapi because we take out the bahagi, the middle one, so it becomes nisbah, ratio. Okay, so the ratio of 3 ni ialah untuk AB. 4 ratio dia ialah untuk BC. Okay, clear? So for now, this one is normal form, bentuk biasa, bentuk nisbah yang biasa. Okay, this is bentuk biasa. Okay, second one. Okay, look at this. AB dekat atas, BC dekat bawah kan? Okay, bahagi, that's why teacher told you all bahagi, right? Like this. So what happened is, bahagi you can write as pecahan kan? Bahagi boleh tulis macam ni kan? Sebagai pecahan. Okay, so bila kita tulis sebagai pecahan, okay, BC ni kita bawa pergi ke sebelah sana. Kita darab silang, cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, kita akan dapat 3/4 BC, correct? Okay, now can you see, okay, this is a pecahan, right? Like a fraction in front of a letter, right? Like 2 letters there. So when got number in front of letter, okay, kalau ada nombor di depan huruf, itu dipanggil sebagai bentuk lambda. This is known as lambda form. So lambda, L-A-M-B-D-A, lambda. Another spelling L-A-M-D-A also ada. Okay, macam ni pun spelling juga lambda lah. Okay, this lambda is actually the symbol lah. That is the symbol for lambda. This one, this is symbol for lambda. Okay, so when soalan keluar in this bentuk, you must know that, oh, this is bentuk lambda. So when you get the bentuk lambda, okay, what you do, you must automatically recognize and bring the BC go to the other side. Kena bawa dia turun ke sebelah kiri so that you don't get confused. So now you know, okay, AB the nisbah ialah 3. BC the nisbah ialah 4. Because if you just see like this only means, okay, the 3 belongs to which one? The 4 belongs to which one? Kita tak tahu kan, like not sure like that. So what you do, when you see in bentuk lambda, you bring the BC pergi ke sebelah sana. Okay, when you bring ready, then you are much clearer. AB the nisbah ialah 3, BC the nisbah ialah 4. Okay, kan? Okay, this one for soalan bentuk lambda. Okay, sometimes the soalan or the question comes out as like this. Okay, you see here, 4AB equals to 3BC. Okay, now if teacher asks you all, okay, students, apakah nisbah bagi AB? Okay, you all will think what? Oh, nisbah bagi AB ialah 4. But, ini adalah salah. Nisbah bagi AB bukanlah 4, it's not 4. And if let's say you say, teacher, nisbah bagi BC ialah 3. So, salah juga. It's not 3. Okay, so why, teacher? This one, this is where teacher want you all to remember the rainbow method. Bentuk pelangi. Okay, why rainbow? Okay, see ya. This 4 sebenarnya kepunyaan BC. Okay, and this 3 sebenarnya kepunyaan AB. So can you see like it's going like that, like a rainbow? So this one is like a rainbow form lah, bentuk pelangi. So at least kalau teacher cakap macam ni, you all can understand, right? And remember. Okay, sebab dulu when I learned this from another teacher, that teacher also when mentioned like this, I can remember until now. So, cikgu pun nak belajar hafal like this. So easy. So you see, oh, teacher, if let's say macam ni, contoh 3PQ sama dengan 5RS. Okay, jadinya the 3 sebenarnya nisbah dia belongs to RS. Kan? Dan 5 sebenarnya belongs to PQ. So, you will remember, oh teacher, I must do pelangi. Okay, rainbow. So this, so far, teacher show your 2 jenis already, right? I already show the lambda and I already show the rainbow. Vector, so far teacher cannot show yet. Later when we go bab 8, yeah, you will see bentuk vector. Okay? Okay, so now, okay, I give you all some time. Maybe you want to copy down anything. Make it smaller. Okay. Okay, so far this part, this is the basic that semua students kena tahu dulu. Okay, you must know this basic very well. Kalau you dah know this basic, any question that comes out, you akan like terus boleh kaitkan and jawab. Okay, you can straight away like connect to what teacher told just now, and then you can answer. Okay, let's uh, try some questions. Okay, now these questions, what we going to do? Okay, next page. Okay, here got tiga jenis soalan. One is easy, medium, and wow question. Actually, the wow question is hard question lah. Okay, but we're going to see from the starting easy question first. Okay, for easy question, this one, okay, apa yang kita nak cari ialah kita nak cari koordinat untuk B. Okay, you can just write the question there. Find the coordinate of B. Okay, now look at this explanation. So this one, I would give the credit to Cikgu Hassan. Okay, Cikgu Hassan is the one taught this method. So I think this method will really be good and you guys can remember this very well. Okay, look carefully how this works. Okay, here got, sini ada tiga coordinate, correct? A, B, and C, and all on the same straight line, right? Okay, first, what you do, you have to imagine, okay, sekarang bayangkan ada tiga negara, okay, three countries. Three countries, okay, the middle country, you put a benteng, or like a penahan like that lah. Okay, you put a benteng like that. Okay, the first country is called country A here. The third country is called country C. Okay, country A and country C nak berlawan. They are going for a war. Okay, they're going to go for a war. Okay, so of course country A, macam mana selalu negara berperang? Dia akan guna bom kan? Okay, so what you do? Can you see here these 3 and 4? Okay, the 3 dan 4 sebenarnya ialah nisbah, betul tak? They are actually the ratios, right? But for this story, teacher want you all to take this as the bombs. Ini adalah bom, okay? So, negara A, okay, country A is going to bomb country C. Okay, country A akan bomb country C. So, bila dia bomb, what happen is, take the number 3, darabkan dengan the coordinate. Okay, 3 times 5, we get what? 15, isn't it? Okay, then 3 times 8, right? Okay, so teacher write down here, 15 dengan 24. So, you ambil bomb tu, you darabkan dengan coordinate. Okay. Of course, country C pun tak puas hati lah. Dia kena bomb balik, betul tak? So, they going to bomb back. So, country C, okay, ambil 4 bomb. The bombs, they bomb dengan negara A, what happened? You darabkan dengan the coordinate. So, 2 darab dengan 4. And then 6 darab dengan 4 also. So, kat sini you get 8 and 24. Okay, now settle first. Remember just now the middle country kan dia ada benteng. So, dia tak involve dalam war lah. Okay, so take the middle country. Okay, tulis dekat bahagian kiri of the equation. Sekarang kita akan buat equation. Okay, X dan Y kan? Okay, tulis di sebelah kiri. Okay, sekarang kita nak cari X dulu. Okay, what you do? Ambil X. Sorry, yang ni take the X here plus with the X behind 1. Okay, so ambil X yang ni 8 tambah 15. Okay, following up, 8 tambah 15. Bahagikan dengan jumlah bom. Okay, jumlah how many bombs are there? 3 plus 4 kan? 3 tambah 4. So, ada 7 bombs lah. Okay. Untuk yang Y pula, okay, ambil yang Y kat sini, 24. and tambah with 24 on the another country's one. Okay. So 24 tambah 24 bahagi dengan jumlah bomb. Total ada 7. Correct. Okay. Now we write down the value or the answer. Okay. So we tambah lah. Okay. 8 tambah 15. 23. 23 over 7. Yang sebelah sana 48 over 7. See if can simplify. You simplify permudahkan. Tapi kalau tak boleh, this is your final answer. So dah dapat koordinat for B. One thing you must remember, middle country, okay, negara yang berada dekat tengah kan, dia akan selalu duduk di sebelah kiri. No matter what. Okay, no matter what, B yang atau yang apa-apa yang dekat tengah akan selalu berada di kiri. Will always be on the left hand side. Okay, because the war is always between the two ends of the coordinates. Okay, so far clear this concept. So you don't have to memorize the formula. Actually, teacher just use a formula for you all. Tapi sekarang ni, if you understand this story, tak payah hafal this one. Okay, tak payah hafal your formula. Okay, Sugu Mari, clear teacher. Okay, very good. Kirtana, yes. Okay, clear. Okay, now we're going to do the same story concept for the second question. Soalan kedua. Okay, this is medium question. Why medium? Sebab macam a little bit difficult but not so difficult yet. Not hot question, right? Okay, kita tengok first. Okay, yang ni kita nak cari apa? Kita nak, okay, just write down the soalan. Cari nilai X dan Y. Find the value of X and Y. Okay, that's what we're going to do for this question now. Okay, here we are given the bombs. Okay, they already gave us the nisbah. AB ialah 3. Okay, BC ialah 4. Okay, tertulis dulu the bombs very readily there. Okay, now first step, make a banting or create like a partition for the country B because country B is not involved. The middle country not involved. Okay, sekarang country A dan country C berperang. Okay, so country A is going to throw their bomb, okay, and attack country C. So when attack, what happens? You times the coordinate. Okay, so 3 times 5 dengan 3 darab 8. So here kita dapat 15 dan 24. Okay, of course country C tak puas hati. Balas balik the bombs. They put 4 bombs. Okay, and then berperang with A here, you darab. So 2 darab 4 and Y darab dengan 4. Okay, so dapatlah 8 and 4Y. Okay, settle ready. Now we can do the working. Okay, the middle country, negara yang berada dekat tengah selalunya akan tulis dekat sebelah kiri of the persamaan. So X dengan 48/7. Okay, now kita tulis persamaan untuk X dulu. Okay, take 8 tambah dengan 15. Okay, 8 tambah 15 bahagi dengan jumlah bom. Okay, jumlah tadi ada 7 bom kan? Okay, so teacher terus tulis 7. Okay, because 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, next one, you must take the Y plus with the Y. So kat sini, 4Y plus 24 divide the total bombs also. Okay, settle. Now let's compare. Kita bandingkan. Okay, we compare the X first. So X equals to, okay, 8 plus 15, 23/7. So nilai X found ready. Kita dah cari nilai X. Settle ready ya. Okay, next one we compare the Y. Okay, compare Y. Okay, 48/7 equals to this. 4Y plus 24/7. Okay, 7 and 7 if at the bottom is usually can cancel off already. Okay, kalau students tak sure, you can always darab silang. Okay, kalau tak sure boleh cancel or not, you darab silang. Okay ya. Okay, so here you darab silang, you will get 48 4y plus 24. Bring the 24 there. Okay, 4y. Okay, oh, dah dapat. Okay, semua ni dapat y is 6. Okay, should be correct because 48 minus 24, 24. Yes, correct. Okay, your answer is betul. So, dapat y 6. Can, right? So, no matter what kind of soalan yang cari koordinat untuk straight line, okay, you use this bomb method. Okay, now the last one. The last one is wow. Why it's wow? Because it's a bit more difficult, the level. Tapi, oh, wait teacher. Okay, waiting. Okay, it's a bit more difficult sebab a bit higher level lah. Okay, but the same concept. As long kalau pelajar you faham the cara already, you can jawab even though it's a hot question. Yes, Kirtana, waiting. Oh, you want to copy, is it? Okay, I'll just give maybe a few more seconds. Okay, okay, done, Okay. Next, wow question. Okay. For soalan wow, okay, soalan wow, tak ada apa-apa wow sangat pun. Okay, actually. First, yang ni kita nak cari A, B dan B, C. Maksudnya, you are going to find what? The bombs. Here don't have bombs. Do you realize? Tak ada nisbah. Okay, when usually tak ada nisbah, you give a letter for the nisbah. Beri satu huruf untuk nisbah. Contoh, okay, here teacher want to use M. Okay, here teacher want to use N. Like this also can, atau you want to use P and Q. Also can, no problem. Okay, but don't use O, don't use I because O looks like a number, okay? Jangan guna huruf O and all lah. Okay, let's see how to solve this. Okay, first step, kita buat benteng, okay? Do a middle, what is that? The pertahanan, okay? X, Y. X, Y avoid also. Because X, Y selalunya represents what? Coordinate. So if possible, avoid X, Y, okay? Jangan guna O, jangan guna I. J can lah, but make sure it looks like a proper J. But teacher will suggest go for A, B, C, D, P, Q, M, N, like this. Okay. Okay. So now, let's do the bomb. So negara A and negara C berperang. Okay. So they throw P bombs. Okay. So dekat sini P times 5, 5P. 8 times P is 8P. Okay. Of course, country C tak puas hati, bomb balik also. So here will be 2 darab Q, 2Q, 6 darab Q, 6Q. Okay. Take the middle country and write on the left hand side. So 23 over 7, 48 over 7. Okay. Then we're going to take the X plus with the X. So 2Q tambah 5P. Okay. 2Q plus 5P. Total bombs, you must take P plus Q. Okay. Then we take Y pula. Okay. 6Q plus with 8Q. So here we cannot plus anything also, right? Okay. So just write down the bottom still P plus Q. Like that only. Okay. Settle. Now we must do kaedah banding lah. We must compare what? Okay. We must compare. So let's compare for X first. Okay. 23 over 7 equals to 2Q plus 5P over P plus Q. Okay, let's see. What method can we do now here in order to solve this? Okay, first step, kita darab silang. You cross multiply. Okay, here we cross multiply, we get 23P plus 23Q. Here akan jadi 14P and 35p. Eh, this is q, right? Okay, 14q plus 35p. Okay, now what you do? P and P you bawa ke satu side, Q and Q you bring to the other side. So meaning you make the same terms, like terms you bring together. Okay, so teacher is going to bring this 35 come in front. I'm going to bring the 23 go behind. Okay, sebab teacher nak samakan dia punya terms. So 23p minus 35p. Okay, here 14q tolak 23q. Okay, 23 minus 35, I get negative 12p. Okay, following up. Then 14 minus 23, teacher get negative 9q. Okay, almost, we are almost done ready. Now we want the nisbah, right? Correct. Okay, so far the negative can cut off already, isn't it? Okay, 12p and 9q. So now this is where you can change this to what bentuk? Just now we teacher show you all two bentuk already. Lambda got, okay, then another one I showed you rainbow, right? Okay, from here you can use rainbow also already. Can you see that 12 actually belongs to the Q, nisbah dia. The 9 actually belongs to P. So kita boleh tulis P kepada Q ialah 9 kepada 12. You can write like that. Tapi kalau boleh permudahkan, you permudahkan. Meaning if you can simplify it, we simplify. So this one can divide by 3, right? So that means you can get the answer 3 to 4. 3 kepada 4. Yes, correct. Okay, correct Sugumari. So 3 kepada 4. So you already got the nisbah, the bombs lah that we wanted. Okay, clear, right? If you clear this story and cara to apply, we actually already finished 7.1. Okay, we already dah habis 7.1 already. Okay, any question before we proceed to the next one? Ada apa-apa soalan sebelum kita pergi ke next? So, from teacher show all this contoh, right? All this contoh actually I already covered 7.1. So, you all after this when we are doing the soalan in 7.1, you guys should be very clear. Okay. No. Okay. Very good. Okay. How about anyone else? No. Okay. If don't have, we go to. Okay. There's one more formula that you all should know. Okay. Students perlu tahu cara nak cari titik tengah. Okay. How to find the middle, what is that? Midpoint. Okay. Okay, explain clearly. Okay, thank you. Now, so are you Form 4 this year or Form 5? Who's that? Sugumari. Are you Form 4 or Form 5 this year? Okay. Let's see. I'm Form 5. Okay, so your trial is coming up. Okay. Now we go to 7.1. Okay, this one teacher is not going to explain much. Sebab I'm a male boy. This is my mom account. Oh. Okay, let me know your name so that teacher call your name correctly. Okay. Okay, so kita teruskan to, okay. Remember just now teacher did that bomb formula? Okay, it's actually this one. Okay. Harshad. Okay, Harshad. Okay, so now teacher will call your name correctly. If not, teacher call Sugumari, then you also feel one kind. Okay. So, okay, tadi the bomb method, right, that we did, that one was this. This was the formula lah. So, maybe in school, you all learn from formula. Tapi lepas ni, you already dah faham cerita dia, tak payah, no need to use formula anymore. Okay, Okay, now the another important thing, okay, can you all write this down? This one teacher did not write here. Cara nak cari midpoint. Okay, titik tengah. How to find the midpoint. This is not in the notes. I think I overlooked. Okay, very easy. Take x1 tambah x2 divided by 2. Y1 tambah y2 divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Just tambah dekat your notes there. Okay. Okay, let's try questions. Okay, kita cuba soalan example 1. Okay, diberi here your A dan B. You're given your A and B. Find the midpoint for the line. Okay, very easy. Whenever you nak cari the midpoint, straight away you tulis the A, x1, y1. B terus you write down x2, y2. Okay, easy for you. So, you just masukkan into the formula sahaja. Okay, now let's cari midpoint. Okay, midpoint atau titik tengah. Okay, take x1 which is 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Negative 7 plus 9 divided by 2. Okay, this one 6 divide 2 dapat 3. Here 2 divide 2 you get 1. So midpoint for this one is very easy. Midpoint sangat senang. Tambah bahagi 2. Tambah bahagi 2. But don't silap tambah. Don't take 5 tambah with negative 7. That is careless mistake. Okay. Make sure you are alert dengan yang mana x1, y1. Okay, like that. Okay, now we go to this. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Okay, this is a diagram showing a straight line. Kita ada M dan N. Okay, the midpoint, okay, that means titik tengah, is given ready as 2, 4. Find the value of P and Q. Cari nilai P dan Q. Okay. Now, since we already know the midpoint, okay, so we use the formula of midpoint and kita selesaikan lah, okay? Okay, so what is our midpoint? Kita ganti dekat sana. So 2 and 4 we write on the left hand side. Okay, which one should be x1 and y1? Teacher, you ask me, means I would suggest always write the bottom one. Okay, yang bawah punya kita tulis x1, y1. Yang atas, the up one, you write as x2, y2. Okay, you just always go on with this lah. Kalau you terbalikkan also cannot, is it? Can. Not a problem. You still get same answer. Okay. So here P tambah with 9 bahagi 2. Okay, then negative 2 tambah with Q, you bahagi 2 also. Okay, then what you must do, whenever you see equal sign in the middle, you compare. Because this is X, right? This is Y. So you bandingkan. Okay, you compare. So let's compare the X. 2 equals to P plus 9 over 2. Cross multiply, okay, darab silang. Okay, this is too fast. Let me do step by step. Okay, this one will be 4 P plus 9. Then the 9 bring to the other side. So P dapat negative. Yes, correct. Okay, Harshad's answer is correct. Negative 5. Okay, can you all try to find Q now? Okay, give a try. Compare your Y pula. Bandingkan your Y pula. Okay. Richard got negative 5. Q is 10. Yes. Correct. Very good, Richard. So, 4. Teacher just quickly show plus Q. So, you cross. You darab silang. Okay. Then you get here 8, isn't it? Okay. Then make sure when you bring the negative 2 there. Okay. Teacher, how to get negative 5? Oh, see here Kirtana, this one, okay, kan this is 9 plus 9, right? So, plus, pindah go there becomes what? Minus. So, this is actually 4 minus 9. Ah. Oh, no, no, that's not Q. That's 9, 9. My Q, I will put like this. I'll put the acorn. I'll put the sun, tail. Okay. But 9, I won't put tail. Okay. Okay, so you bring there. Here you get 8 plus 2. Okay, so your Q dapat 10. Okay, like just now, our friends gave ready. Harshad got, Richard got. No, don't be sorry. It's okay. It's, as long you get yourself clear, that's what teacher want. Okay? Okay. Now, clear. I think this is very clear. We go to next one. Okay, number 3. Find the coordinate of P. Okay, this is interesting. There are wars going to happen here. Okay, the diagram shows point P dividing CD in the ratio. So they gave us the bombs ready. Oh, very bahaya. They gave us the bomb. So now what we do? Okay, the 4 kita tulis dekat mana? The nisbah. The 3 kita tulis dekat mana? Okay, where should teacher write the 4 and the 3? 4 belongs to which part of the nisbah? 3 belongs to which part of the ratio? On top. Can give teacher the line or not? What line is it? Like give me in letters. Beri dalam huruf. Because there got huruf, right, for that straight line. Starting is C, here P, then D. Okay, I think what Harshad is trying to say, 4 is for CP, correct? Oh, it's a bit blur, is it? Usually what you change the settings while you're watching. You change to, I think you can change to the highest setting. Because sometimes live class, yeah, it lags or sometimes it's blur. So you tukar the setting while you're watching. Okay, so here CP, yes, correct. And then the PD will be 3, right? 3. Okay, how I know exactly I must put the 4 here and the 3? Okay, because sebab the starting you see is C, right? So that's why you must put C to P is 4. If it was terbalik DC, then your 4 will be here, the 3 will be here. So you must always take note dengan huruf. Selalu take note, alert dengan huruf. Which huruf it's starting with, which letter. Okay, so like what Harshad told just now, that's correct already. But if you want the explanation why teacher must put the 4 here, because of the letter, it starts with C. But if it starts with D means teacher must put the 4 here. Because sometimes in SPM they'll confuse you. Not confuse you, they will trick you and you might get tricked. Okay, so okay, this one I erase back. Okay, so kat sini 4, kat sini 3, right? Okay. P coordinate kita tak tahu. So we write X dan Y sahaja. Okay, we just write X and Y. Okay, now let's start. So country dekat tengah ni, you put pertahanan like benteng like that. Okay, so this country is going for war. Okay, country C hantar 4 bom to country D, jadinya dia akan jadi 44 and 4. Okay, because you times, you get 4 times 11, 44, 4 times 1. Of course, country D tak puas hati, but they managed to send 3 bombs sahaja. So here becomes -9 and 24. Okay, we got this settled ready. Let's put into the persamaan. Okay, so here you write your X and Y, which is P. Okay, so -9 tambah with 44. Okay, plus with 44. Divide total bombs, 7 bombs. Okay, for the Y, take 24 plus 4, divide by total bombs, 7. Okay, -9, 24. Yes, that one is for the other side country, right? Okay, then, okay, you solve. Give teacher your final answer. What do you get? You can use calculator, key in quickly. Okay. Okay, let's see. X is 5, Y is 4. Correct. Betul. So, X dapat 5, Y dapat 4. Can ah? Okay, very easy question. Next one. Okay. Untuk soalan 4, right? For question 4, teacher want you all to draw the line. Straight line. Can you draw this line? The diagram. No need to use graph paper. Tak payah guna graph paper. Just sketch only. Sketch on your notes. Okay, teacher want to see whether you guys getting the same or not. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Just quickly sketch the straight line PT and then put the bombs where, which nisbah and everything. This is where sometimes teacher wish this was a Zoom class because I can see your answer. You can show me live. Tapi tak apa. Okay, by now you should have sketch ready. Okay, let's see. Your answer should be something like this. Okay, P to T. Okay, teacher draw like that lah. Sideways. You draw straight also tak apa. Okay, P here, Q here. T somewhere here. Okay, not necessary middle lah. Tak boleh dekat tengah lah. Okay, here 7, 5. Here 10 and 2. Okay, then what are your bombs? Can you tell teacher PT what is the nisbah? TQ what is the nisbah? The ratio. Which method we should use to find the ratio? Okay. Harshat say PT is 2. 1 to 2. Okay. Richard say 1 to 2. Okay. Richard, okay, correct. 1 to 2. TQ is 1. Okay, correct. TQ is 1? No. I think Harshat, you forgot. This is supposed to use rainbow method. Remember? Because you got 2 PT and TQ, right? Okay, in front the TQ is actually 1. So, the 2 belongs to TQ. Kepunyaan TQ. 1 ialah kepunyaan PT. So, remember just now? Rainbow. So, it's actually terbalik lah the thing. So, PT is actually 1. TQ is 2. It's okay. Don't be sorry because now at least you feel that you know, right, what went wrong. So after this you won't repeat. Okay, you tak akan ulang balik. Okay, so now we can write here. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, now let's do the war. Okay, P is getting ready to go for war with Q. Okay, can you all do also as well quickly? Okay, so teacher's not going to explain, just going to do, while then you also do together. Okay, here I'm just going to write X and Y. Okay, I already do the bombing, already went for war. So, write the middle country dekat sebelah kiri. Okay, take the X tambah dengan X, bahagi jumlah bom 3. Y tambah with Y, jumlah bom. Okay. Okay, Harsha got X is 8, Y is 4. Wait now. Did I plus anything wrongly here? Okay, this is 24/3, so correct. Wait. Oh, sorry. I copied this wrongly. This is supposed to be 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 divide 3. Yes, betul. 8 dan 4. Okay? Because you're supposed to copy this, right? 14 and 10. Then 10 dengan 2. Okay, very good. I think Most of you are understanding well. Okay, we have one more last question. Ada satu lagi soalan. Soalan 5. Okay, let me just give some time. Maybe some of your friends are popping down. Okay, if you all are ready, like those already done, you just look at question 5 and go ahead. Try question 5 first. Okay, let's look at soalan 5. Okay, in the diagram, point B divides line AC. Okay, AC ialah 4, BC ialah 3. How this one? AC is 4, BC is 3. So, BC teacher know is 3 here. How about AB? What is the ratio here? Because here they write AC. So, macam mana nak cari for AB? What can I do? Okay, see carefully. A to C, the whole thing is 4, correct? So, if here is 3, dekat sini 3 kan? Berapa baki dekat sini? How much will be the balance? Yes, AC will be 1. Okay, so that's why you must always read carefully the letters. Okay, sometimes here it looks like, oh, I'm going to write here 4, I'm going to write here 3. Wrong already. Okay, so you must read very carefully the letters. Okay, so now we already know. Okay, kita boleh cari koordinat C. Okay, C what I do? I write X and Y. Okay, so I'm going to do my war between two countries. Okay, this is country B, put the benteng and all. Okay, let's start the war. Country A, bomb. Okay, so this one quite easy. Still get X and Y only. Okay, country C pun bomb balik. Okay, darab with 3, right? So, 3 and negative 24. Okay. Country yang berada di tengah, the middle country, you must always write dekat sebelah kiri. Okay, now this one, take X, tambah with the X. Okay, 1 plus X divide, total got 4 bombs. Okay, then for the Y, negative 8. No. See, again, this is the mistake I'm doing from just now. I should take this 3 plus X, okay? 3 plus X. Okay, then the Y I must take negative 24 tambah Y. Okay, now I'll get the correct answer. Okay, oh, Harsha got answer. X is 9, Y is 4. Betul? Very good. Okay, dah dapat jawapan. Okay, so you compare, you bandingkan. Okay, bandingkan the X. So, dapat 3 plus X over 4, isn't it? So, you darab silang dulu, dapat 12. Then, you bring the 3 go there, is tolak. So, X dapatlah 9. You get X equals to 9. Okay, now you compare the Y. Okay, compare the Y. Negative 5, negative 24 plus Y over 4. C is 9 and 4. Yes, correct. Richard also correct. Okay. So, what you do here? You cross multiply. So, you get negative 20. Then, you bring the you bring the negative 24 go the other side. Becomes plus. So, you get your Y is 4. So, don't just write the X and Y like that. You must write like how, what is that? Richard wrote the answer, right? Because kita cari koordinat C, right? So, you must write like this nicely. 9 and 4. Okay? Then, this is like the perfect answer like that. The correct one. Okay, don't leave your X one side, Y one side. Okay, so these are all very possible paper 1 type of questions. Of course, there are more. Teacher got actually more notes. No, this note 7.1 dah habis. But teacher got more questions regarding this based on SPM type. but we will do it in the next class. So today actually quite fast. We actually completed 7.1 already. Okay. Do you have any questions to ask before we end today's class? So the next class will be 7.2, which is very, very important. Parallel, perpendicular, okay, and areas of polygon. Okay. If tak ada soalan, okay, if no any question, then I think we can stop until here for today's class. Okay, so for those yang baru join today, okay, I hope you can understand very well, boleh faham everything clear. And if you are having your exam, Form 5 students, all the best. My only advice, do your ATMAS every day, setiap hari. So Form 5 student, teacher got class this Thursday, hari Khamis. Okay, we will continue with probability distribution kan? Okay, so kita akan sambung pada hari Khamis. Okay, so kalau tak ada soalan, no questions teacher. Okay, thank you so much for joining today's class. Same timing also 8:30 to 8:45 to 9:45 like that. By 10 lah, usually the class will end. Okay, so have a good night. Thank you for joining today's class. Okay, so I'll see you all next week. Bye bye. Good night. Bye, Kirtana. Okay, bye, Harshad. Okay, good night. Take care. Bye, Richard. Okay, take care. You're most welcome. Bye bye.